welcome.
Thank you.
Now, husband and wife?
Yes.
Okay, and just tell me your names, please.
My name is Marcelito Pomoy.
Marcelito.
Yeah.
And you are?
And I am Joanne Pomoy.
And where are you both from?
We are both from the Philippines.
Oh. Now,
The reason why I'm here is to support him all throughout.
okay, good.
My husband, you know, he has very hard life in the Philippines, but then he won the Philippines Got Talent.
Did he win?
Yes.
What year?
2011.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
I pray you'll be alright.
That's his voice?
Watch us where we go. And help us to be wise. In times when we don't know. Della mia preghiera. Let this be our prayer. Quanto further turn when shadows fill our day. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace. Give us faith so well Sogniamo un mondo senza violenza, un mondo di giustizia e speranza. Ognuno vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. E la fede che hai acceso in noi. Sento che ci
I was not expecting that voice.
Oh my God. That was so unique. You are a beautiful, wonderful singer with a young woman trapped inside of you.
Thank you so much.
I want to see something different, something unique. And Marcelito, you just gave that to us.
Thank
It was
you.
absolutely brilliant.
Incredible, incredible.
Honestly, this is one of the craziest things I've ever heard in my entire life. Your voice, your range, your sound is just so out of this world.